Welcome to our channel. We are Debbie and Eric, and together we are enjoying life's adventures. We currently work full-time, looking forward to an early retirement. In the meantime, we make sure to take the time to play, whether that is staying close by on our boat or taking mini vacations in the travel trailer. So come along with us as we enjoy life's adventures. We are down at the boat. Gonna take the shrink wrap off. Hopefully get some things done this weekend. Get closer to putting her in the water. And we just cut the door off the back of the shrink wrap. So we'll start taking the rest of it off. Here comes Eric carrying a 100-pound battery up the ladder. Good job, hon. Only one more.
400 pounds going up and down a 12-foot ladder.
Well, you haven't been able to go to the gym lately, right?
I mean, I'm standing on the top rung of the ladder.
That's not a place where you're supposed to stand.
No, not carrying a 100-pound load. One more. And then we gotta do the isinglass too. So we gotta take that.
Aren't we gonna take the shrink wrap off first? Yeah. Okay.
Let me show you what Debbie's doing right now. All right, so Debbie's actually working.
I heard that's actually working.
If you look up there, she's doing a good job. She's got she's scrubbing the boom, all the mold that was underneath the boom. She's cleaning it up. It's looking good. So I'm going over the rigging right now, and I bought all the lines, the halyards, the sheets, so I have to go through now and figure out which ones were supposed to be where and make sure I ordered them right. So that's what I'm doing right now.
So he's figuring out lines, making sure to see which lines we have. Now he's figuring out the boom. He's got the piece of paper out there. So right now he's got a sewing kit called the Speedy Stitcher Sewing All Kit to stitch the two ends of the line together so that we can not lose one, hopefully.
In order to be a real sailor, you have to know how to sew.
Yep.
So they say. And they are never wrong. Well, we wanted to show you some drone footage of out by the boat, but since we are right here, we are in restricted zones for flying the drone. And the drone won't let us take off in a restricted zone because of Selfridge Air Force Base. So we are directly across from Selfridge Air Force Base, and that's a restricted zone. We'll have to get it when we get up to Augrey. Alright. And today, hi Deb. Sorry you're on camera in the morning.
That's okay. I am what I am.
Right.
Enjoying my coffee, reading my book.
And what are we doing today?
Oh, let's see, what are we doing today? We're going to try and do some more line replacements, right?
Yep,
And
halyards.
the anchor and line and rod and chain and everything that comes with the anchor. Try and get that all replaced. Replaced? It's not even on the boat, is it?
It's brand new.
Okay.
Well, the anchor's not brand new.
No.
We got a Bruce style anchor.
Yeah.
Don sent us anchor chain and rope for it, so, or line, that was a great Christmas gift.
Yeah.
To see come just before Christmas. we got it. So thank you, Don. It was great. So we're going to try to clean the anchor locker.
Yep.
Install that today. We're going to hook up the batteries. So
I think that's what you're going to do now, right?
Yep. I'm going to put those down in the floor down there where the keel is. There's 6-volt golf cart batteries. Yep. So we're going to run them in series and parallel. So that way we remain 12 volts, but we get the amp hours out of the golf cart batteries. So I
learned about volts and amps and how to
series
hook up
and
the
parallel.
and series and parallel. I'm all ready to go.
We got 215 amp hours is what they're saying per bank. That's 2 batteries put together, 2 6 volts to make 12 volts. So we got 215 amp hours. So you really cut that in half because you don't want to discharge your batteries fully. So we have 107 amp hours per bank. That's 214 amp hours total about. So let's say 215 amp hours total that we have. And as far as battery capacity goes. And they're lead acid. You cleaned the boom yesterday.
Yep, went through that. Went cleaned the boom, cleaned the Bimini stainless poles. So once we get some of the lines replaced in the boom, then we can put that back up. Maybe. We hooked the lazy jacks back up. That was one of the things you were worried about.
Well, we raised them, yeah.
Yeah.
We need to replace some of the lazy jack lines.
Oh, do we?
Yeah, they're just moldy and one's like frayed, so.
What's it afraid of?
It's afraid of the sails. It's lazy. Yeah. So we did get the main sheet lines done, but we found out that the pulleys in the main sheet look pretty worn in the Traveler.
Yeah.
So we're going to probably have to replace the main sheet pulleys. We should take some pictures of our sheet. Yeah. So here is our list. So must have to head north. Nice to have to head north, and we have not needed to head north. And then the boat projects this weekend that we were supposed to get done. So we have a lot of projects.
On to the next boat project. I get to climb into the anchor chain locker and clean that sucker out. Here it is. Got my little step stool to climb into the V-berth. On the hazards of being short. You're with me as I carry you and my vacuum cleaner up here. Looks like the worst part is down below. Down at the bottom there's a bunch of dirt. So good vacuuming, maybe a little bit of scrubbing. Should be good to go.
Here's our Lumar windlass. Got the roll. Got our Bruce anchor down there with a bucket. The chain. I'll pull that all up. All right, go ahead. Okay, stop for a minute. Well, we're up in the chain locker. And we're just putting on the windlass, the rod and chain. All right, go ahead, Deb. Alright, now we'll go outside. Alright, go ahead. Keep going.
I don't have an anchor swivel right now, so we're going to replace the anchor swivel with a Mantis swivel. It's an S2 Mantis. So these are the parts it comes with. It comes with the shaft, the key for inside, right there. Some Teflon tape, some seizing wire, the collar, and the shackle. So we're going to go ahead and hook this all up and put that on. So let's see how it goes.
We noticed, as I'm sure you did, several areas where the rope was twisting, which caused the chain to spin as well. Before adding the anchor swivel, we pulled all the chain and rod out of the locker and did it again, this time with no twisting. However, the camera at ground level failed to record.
How come I never seem to have any problems?
I don't know, now it's not on your head. No, not me.